So this is the entrance kind of Athirappilly Waterfalls. We have to trek literally for 1.5 kilometers to reach on the top of Athirappilly Waterfalls. Then after that there is a downhill which you have to again trek. It's kind of a little difficult, but it's okay. It's fun. And after that you reach the downside of the waterfalls where you can actually see the entire waterfalls. So we are heading towards it. So guys, we are about to reach the place which we spoke about. If you can see over here, I'll take you closer. Wait.
Guys, this is the famous Athirapalli.
So guys, can you hear? Yeah, this is the waterfalls I was talking about. It's so noisy. Rajneeti. That. This is the way downhill where you can see the entire waterfalls. You can see the fencings. This is because sometimes wild animals come inside. That is why there was fencing over there. So this is a good 15-20 minutes trek, which is a bit difficult for senior citizens probably. If they are fit and fine, of course they can do it. The track we are talking about, and it's still a long way to go. So guys, this is what we were talking about. Look at the waterfall, look at the nature, look at so beautiful sea. Look at the way water is rushing. Yeah, I'm not sure if you are able to hear me. Just hear the sound of nature.